Hi there, I'm TAIRA, and welcome to TechU, where the future of learning meets the power of intelligence. Let's dive in. I can help you discover the right career path and provide personalized career counseling. I can improve your learning capabilities, available 24/7. I can conduct realistic mock interviews and create personalized learning roadmaps. I can mentor you from learning to landing your dream career. Now that you know what I can do, let's explore your personalized learning space. Ready to start your journey? Welcome to your personalized dashboard. Here you can track your learning progress, manage your courses, and stay on top of the leaderboard. Our dashboard provides a centralized view of your learning journey. Here you can access core courses like FULST and data science, connected to specific skill tags for structured growth. SmartLab is your integrated development environment. Here you can jump into recent projects or start fresh with our optimized templates, all designed to streamline your coding workflow. Your personalized AI learning coach. Through smart conversations and personalized help, I'm here to guide you every step of the way, making sure your learning experience is tailored just for you. Our AI-powered practice and smart scheduling are designed to make your interview view preparation seamless and effective. Now, let's look at the interview experience. With smart guidance and AI proctoring, you can practice in a simulated professional environment that feels like the real thing. Take a look at the AI feedback for each question to see exactly where you can improve and grow. Your professional portfolio is the key to new opportunities. With real-time profile health tracking and our AI co-pilot,
Everything we've built was just the foundation.
Hi, this is TAIRA 2.0, the next generation learning system.